The sleep sack is ideal once your baby has outgrown their swaddle and is sleeping arms out. It has a slim fit and is made from a stretchy organic cotton fabric. Always check the height and weight recommendations on labels to ensure you have chosen the correct size. You should be able to comfortably fit 2 fingers in the neck hole, and the armhole should be comfortable without feeling loose. Don't be concerned if your sleep sack seems long. As long as the sack is fitted around the neck and torso, it's completely safe for use. All our sleep sacks are bell-shaped at the bottom to ensure hip health and joint growth. Ensure you choose the correct TOG rating for the room temperature and layer accordingly. Our sleep sacks come in 4 different TOG variations: 0.2 TOG for temperatures above 71 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 TOG for temperatures between 67 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 2.5 TOG for 59 to 69 degrees Fahrenheit, and 3.5 TOG for 53 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Both our 1 TOG and 2.5 TOG sleep sacks come in sleeved and sleeveless variations. When dealing with overnight diaper changes, unzip your sleep sack from the bottom and keep babies snug while you change them. When you notice your baby starting to reach the end of the sleep sack or it becomes hard to zip up, it is time to size up. If they start standing or climbing in their crib, it may be time to change to a sleep suit sack or sleep onesie with legs. Our sleep sacks come in 3 to 12 month, 8 to 24 month, and 2 to 4 year sizes.